Now we will set about relative layout. So just replace this with relative layout. Relative layout, okay. And for relative layout, this of orientation has no any significance, so we'll remove it. And first I will add one text view. Okay, this is the text view, let's say, and I will keep it wrap content. Okay, then I will give one text. Let's say the text is okay, it is showing. Then hello, sorry, okay, hello. So the text is hello, and I will give one background also so that it is properly visible. Hello 0069900 something I have given. Then I will keep the text size little bit larger. Okay, text size, okay, it is not coming. The suggestion is not working because of my screen recorder. Actually it is going to be slow, sorry. Instead of color, text size is not showing properly. One second, yeah, text size, okay. Let's say 20 sp. So this is the hello text, okay. Let it be 30 sp instead of 20, it will be look more good, okay. So this is the hello text, okay. Now after this hello text, see here we want the word text, okay. So what we can do, see, if you just copy and paste and change the text, this will be a new text view, but these both are overlapping. Let's say the color is red, okay. So for red color, FF0000, see, both are overlapping, okay. It is not going to the right of this hello. So for that we are using, since relative layout, so here we need to set some ID. Based on that ID we can set the alignment. See, for this one I am giving this ID, one ID attribute is there where we can specify the element. So let's say the text view 1, this is the ID for this one, okay. So using this ID we can refer this text view. Similarly here also we can give one ID. Let's copy this line and send it to text view 2. So this is the text view 2 ID. Now in relative layout we will have one attribute, and that is called layout end of. See this one, layout to end of. That means here I will show you first, I will write it first and I will give you this text view 1. See, now it is happening. What it is doing, see, layout to end of text view 1. That means this layout will be end of this text view 1. Text view 1 means this text view, correct. This is the ID, this is the ID of this text view. So this text view, this layout will be at the end of this layout. This line means layout to end of. So like that we can keep it. Let's say we want to keep this word below, not here in the same line, we want to keep it below. Then instead of this one we have to write like this, see, layout below. This attribute we have to use, this one, okay, this one we have to use. Then here we have to give this ID. See, it is going down, okay, layout below. Okay, so these two we have learned. Now let's say we want to keep this world at last. So for that one, what we can do, see, align parent end attribute is there, it will show. See, layout align parent end, just give it true. That means this world will come to the end of this parent. Parent means what? See, parent, there are two things. See, this is one ID, this is one element, okay, this is also an element, this text view. So there are two text views, okay, and the parent of these text views are what? This one, this relative layout. This is the parent, correct. This is the these are child actually. These two are sibling, like both are at same level, correct, and this is the parent. So what this element, this one, this attribute, what it will do, see, layout align parent end. That means it will align to the parent end. That means this is the end, correct? This is the end of our screen, so it is aligning with this one. That means align parent true. Okay, now let's say this hello should take this whole space, then what we have to do, just we have to write match parent. See, we have given match parent, and for simplicity let's remove the color of this world. Now see, this hello is taking the whole space, correct? But let's say we want to keep it to the left of this one. I mean, see, this hello should go till this one only, till this one, this line only, where the world is started. Okay, we don't want to overlap. So for that, what we have to do, we have to keep this one, this hello, to the left, I mean to the left of this one, correct? So there will be one attribute here, we have to write in the text view. We want to align this text view 1, correct? So we have to write here, see, layout to left of, to end of. Okay, here we can check, see, there are two things actually, layout to end of, to start of, see, or left of. Yeah, see, this way we can use layout to left of, to left of this text view 2. See, it is working. See what it is doing, layout to left of text view 2. That means this text view will be at the left of this text view 2. It will not go beyond this, not go it will not cross this left part of this one, this world. See, this is the left part of this wall, correct? So this text view will start from here, but it will not cross the left side, it will be left of this one only. Okay, or instead of left of, you can give start of also. One more attribute is there, layout to start off. See, this will also work, correct? Now let's say give the background for that world so that it will be clear, FFF0000. See, this is working properly. Okay, now let's say we want to keep one text view at the center of this screen. Let's say we want to keep one button, not a text view. Let's say it is a button. Okay, let it be wrap content, and I will give some text to this button. Let's say click me. Okay, click me, and if you see, this is the default color coming for this button, and if you want to change the button color, it will not change because this is button, this is not app compat button. So if you take app compat button, then only you will be able to change the color easily, otherwise you have to change the theme. Now you can give some background color to the button. See, button is generated, background color, let's say 00FF00 something you can give. So it is showing like this, and we have not given any alignment, correct? That's why it is showing at top. For relative layout, all the element will come to this left top side if you don't give any attribute. Now we want it to be at the center of the screen. So for that one, there is one thing, that is center horizontal. Okay, center horizontal. So it will keep the element at the center, horizontally center. See, this is wrap content, correct? So this is small thing. Now this is horizontal, correct? This is horizontal line. So it will be at the center of this horizontal line because we have given layout center horizontal true. Okay, now similar to this center horizontal, if we keep this item at the center vertical, see, this is vertical, correct? So if we keep it the center of this vertical, then it will come here, correct? So along with this attribute, we write center vertical. See, center vertical true. Now see, it is coming at the center, or you can give it at top here also, not an issue. So you can write it in this way also, first center vertical. So first element was here, correct? Then we give center vertical, so it is coming at the center here, and after that we have given center horizontal, so it is coming here. So if you remove center horizontal here, see, center vertical we have given, correct? So it is at the center of this vertical. Then we will give center horizontal, so it will come here. Okay, so that is okay. Now let's say we want this wall text, or let's say we have one another text. I will not disturb this text. We'll keep another text, let's say text view 3. Okay, this is text view 3. The name is hello, people, hello people. Okay, now this people we want to keep it below this this click me. Then how we can do? We have to remove this one first. Okay, let's say we have to write layout below. Layout below which? Below this button, correct? So we need a button id here also. So we have to write the button id here like this, let's say it is button. This is the id. So we want to keep it below this button. See, we have this people option button, people text view here, correct? Now layout below we have given, so it has come down below this click me, but we want at this position, correct? So we have to keep it center, layout horizontal center. See, center horizontal, if we give true, see it is coming exactly below this button, because center horizontal is taking this at the center of this line. Okay, if you remove this also, then also see it is at center of this screen horizontally. Now just we need to keep it below. See, it has come down. Okay, but instead of this position, let's say we want to keep it here in this position. I mean, when this click me ends, then this should start. Okay, so for that one, what we have to do? We have to remove this center horizontal. We have to give align end. See, layout to end of button. We need to start the text view 3 when button 3 ends. Sorry, it should be button. See, we have done it. See, layout to end of button. End of button means what? See, here the button is ended, correct? So from here this will start, and we have already given layout below. That means this will be always below this click me button. So from these two attribute we can keep it here. Okay, now instead of here, let's say we want to keep it here. We want to keep it here. Then what we can do? We have to remove this layout below, but layout end of button is required below, because we want to keep it start from here. Okay, then we want to have one attribute that is called, okay, we can do in two ways actually. We can give one thing like center vertical. If we give center vertical true, see, center vertical means what? It was here, correct? And this is the vertical, and we are keeping it at center of vertical, so it will come here. Okay, so this is about center vertical. Let's say we want some space in between these two. See, here now there is no any space, correct? So let's say we want some space. Then what we can do? We can do margin start. We want to give some margin here. So see, margin option is there. We want margin at start of these two. So let's say margin start 10 dp. See, now some gap we have already. So this is margin start. Okay. Now I will show you one important thing. Let's say this click me button is not at the center. It is here somewhere. So to keep it here somewhere, I will do something like this. Layout center, instead of this center vertical, what we will do, I will give some margin from top. Okay, margin top attribute is there. Margin top will give some margin from top, let's say 300 dp, or we can give some more, 600 dp. See, this button, this is the click me button, correct? So it has margin from top. Margin from top means, what is the top element here? See, we are not setting any attribute. Okay, that means it will assume the parent to be I mean, it will assume this one. See, this whole relative layout, the main relative layout as parent. Okay, because we have not given anything, so I will show you here again. See, margin parent, or for simplicity let me remove other things so that you will not get confused. See, margin top 600 dp. So this is the top, correct? So it is taking some space which is equal to 600 dp from top. Okay, now let's say we want to align one item here. Okay, so let's say we have another button, color I will change it to ff0000, and I will make it something like drop. Okay, drop me, like that button I have created. Now I will remove this top, margin top attribute. Let's say you cannot use this margin top attribute. Okay, we don't want to use margin top, but still we want to keep it aligned here. Okay, so what we can do, see, we have one attribute, see, align. Okay, we have to first see this one, layout align top. Okay, align top I have given here. You have to give the id of this button. I will explain, just give me 1 second. Okay, so both attribute are same, so let me keep this button as drop me button. Okay, so now see, we have given align top of button. That means, see, this red color button is aligned, the top part, both top part is aligned. See, align top means what? The top part of this button and this button will align, so it will be at the same line from top. Now we want to start this button from here, correct? After, when this button ends, when this click me, after this click me only we should place this button, correct? So we need to write here end of, see, layout to end of what? To end of first button. So here I will write the first button id. See, it starts from here. Okay, so like that actually you have to align. And instead of this button, let's say it is a text view. See, now it is showing not proper. I want to keep it at the center. Okay, here. Now why it is showing like this? See, this text view is small, correct? So but this top part should align, correct? See, we have written align top, correct? So that top part of this text view and top part of this button, these two are matching, but we want to keep this at center, not like this one. Okay, we want to keep it here only, here in this place. So what we have to do, we have to write one more attribute, that is layout align bottom. So top and bottom we will match with the button. See, both top part and both bottom part, both are matching with this button. See, this is the top part of this text view and this is the top part of this button. These both are matching. Now this is the bottom part of this text view, this is the bottom part of this button, these are matching. But now one problem, see, this drop me is not at the center. So to keep it center, we can use the gravity option, because already you know that gravity makes the inner content movable. So I will keep it as center, or we will keep it at vertical, center vertical. See, this is the whole thing, right? This is vertical and we are keeping at the center of this box, center of this text view box. Okay, so now you can see it is at the center. Okay, so like this actually we have to use a relative layout. Okay, and inside this relative layout, let's say we want to keep some another relative layout or linear layout, then we can also keep. Okay, inside this also we can make some let's say some modification is required, some new things are required, some new designs is required inside this. So we can use another layout also. We can use linear layout, then we have to close it also. Okay, I have not written everything, you can check from yourself. See, just so this is one relative linear layout we have used here. Because of something it is showing error, but this is not an issue. Or we can use some another relative layout also, match parent, let's say wrap content, and inside this we can define another text view, another button, like that. Okay, so lots of things are there. While we design, then it will be clear actually.